What is up, guys? Today I will be doing a special challenge from Ron's Muscle Car Diecast. It's the Wagon Challenge. So I got my top 10 wagons here, ranking them from worst to best. So number 10, Roller Toaster. Even though I like fantasy cars, this one doesn't really appeal to me that much. But it's pretty cool though. It has this toaster thing. This will look. I got my two next wagon. Okay, number 10. Here's two cars for number 9, or they're the same car at least. We got the Ford Transit Connect. I like this one version, the one in the front of the black one. This is a treasure hunt. I think the blue one was a 2018 art car. Please focus. Number 9, 07 Chevy Tahoe. This one works on the track pretty well, but not as great as some other ones because it's a big tall wagon. Next up is number 7. No, not that. This one. No. Yeah, I'll just go with this one. The Cockney Cab 2. This one's the Beatles version. It's got the purple windows. Pretty wacky car. Let me get a bit closer. Haven't tested this one on the track yet, so maybe we'll be doing that. Next up is the Matchbox. Gibson Chevy van in the base, but it's a Matchbox. I thought it was a Ford Explorer for a second. It looks like one. No, not a Matchbox. Maybe, yeah. This is pretty heavy. It's a Matchbox. I don't know what year this is from. It's from 2008. I can tell by the production code in the base. And it's a 1/74 scale. Next up is this one, the 70 Chevelle SS Wagon. Pretty sure that's the name. Yep. Moon eyes. There's an alternate color, black and yellow. That one's satin. Nice. Next up is this, the 56 Ford. This one lost its opening feature over here. Okay. This is pretty cool with the bone engine. I like the details. Pretty cool. Pretty awesome car. Alright then, whatever. Next up is Jackhammer. I really like this car. It works pretty good in the tracks. Falls in the loops because it's really long. Look at this detail right there. It's like a demolition derby car. It's from the Accelerator's Pork Chop. Big metal wheels over there. Next up is this one, the Comica Mega Cruiser. We're at the top 2 now. This one has really good suspension. Pretty cool. This one has a siren up top. I don't know if you could consider this as a wagon, but I'll consider this as a wagon. Pretty cool though. By opening doors. The first one is pretty cool. Got off-road tires. A pretty good suspension. It's really heavy. I think he has a metal and metal. What's the scale? 155th scale. Interesting. And finally, number 1. Here, this thing. It's from Welly. I don't know the name. It looks like a school bus, and it really appeals to me. It's pretty cool. Got the mount right there. I don't know if we're only supposed to do Hot Wheels or other brands. Oh, no. Never mind. You could do other brands. I'm pretty sure. This thing is so cool. It's really skinny in the track, so it doesn't work. But man, this is so cool. It says over there's a I don't know. There's some seats over there. This would really be fun to drive, right? With. So those are my top 10 wagons. Again, thank you for Ron's Muscle Car Diecast for sharing this challenge. So thanks for watching. Bye.